First, the top news headlines. No threat to Manipur's boundary integrity, says Chief Minister Biren. And traffic on strategic Jammu-Srinagar National Highway resumes. Welcome to Times of Manipur Television. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving. Now let's have the news in details. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today reaffirmed that the state's boundary and integrity will not be allowed to infringe upon by the Indo-Naga peace deal and appealed to all sections of people to remain calm. Addressing media at the Chief Minister's Secretariat, Biren Singh mentioned that the Union Home Minister Amit Shah has assured to take all stakeholders on board before finalization of Naga political settlement. There is no threat to the state due to the Naga settlement, he said. Singh also mentioned the recent announcement by R.N. Ravi, the Nagaland governor and interlocutor, that there will be no separate flag or constitution for the Nagas. R.N. Ravi's statement came at a time when the Naga peace talks drawing towards a conclusion, with much of the contention has been regarding a separate flag as well as constitution for the Naga people.
Leadership, whatever the assurance given by the Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Union Home Minister, I think that will keep their word. We firmly believe in our leadership, and that's why I'm requesting to the people of the state to come and let us see. They will invite the stakeholder. Let us go together and let us interact with the authority, Union Home Minister. Then one final solution. Already commitment has been given by the Honorable Union Home Minister that territorial boundary of Manipur will not be affected, and the administrative structure of the state will be protected. I think that is enough.
Commenting on the upcoming Manipur Sangay Festival 2019, Chief Minister Biren stated that the event has started attracting foreign tourists and has been a boost to the tourism sector. The Sangay Festival is Manipur Tourism Department's biggest annual cultural and tourism festival. He appealed to all sections not to give any disturbance to the festival. Biren also announced that his government will soon invite the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity (COCOMI) for talks.
Bomb pokhai mi hat bagi kidnap tau bagi fake encounter gi adugi adagi mayam du hujik loina tamna mang ba hora ba amna mayam pitri gi mayam na Manipur da mihing sang ba hora ba matam ni matam sida festival sahi gi amat to oina stage si to festival ga du yei thwe na traga du tawre ga na tawbudu aran ba message ma sat ki ni national media da or global da tourism mayam ma sida laktana thada foreigner listing gi matak da lae hana sahi da sangwa satruk la amadu Manipur gi miyam da amu hanna ekhoi punamak sida phamjari ba aduga masi laktaba ekhoi gi sarkar paijari ba khoi mayam gi maikai de gi mayam da appeal tawjari ekhoi ba thajabiyo ekhoi na ngasi haijari ba se ekhoi central government gi ayaba central government gi commitment adugi makha da ekhoi mayam da convey tawjabani.
Traffic on the strategic Jammu-Srinagar National Highway resumed today after remaining suspended for nearly 2 days following a massive landslide at Ramban district, officials said. The media report said, however, despite undertaking a major operation to clear the snow, the traffic on the Mughal Road, which connects the border districts of Poonch and Rajouri in Jammu region with South Kashmir's Shopian district, remained closed for the 7th day. They said the reopening of the road came as a big relief for thousands of commuters who had been stranded on the highway since Sunday afternoon after the massive landslide at Digdol. The 270-kilometer national highway, the only all-weather road linking Kashmir with the rest of the country, was cleared of the landslide at Digdol around 4 a.m. after over a 40-hour-long operation to clear the snow, a traffic department official said. The Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) has sent a letter to the Punjab government to commute the death sentence of Balwant Singh Rajwana, convicted for the assassination of the then Punjab Chief Minister Beyant Singh, a media report said today. The MHA took an in-principle decision on September 30 to commute the death sentence as a humanitarian gesture ahead of the 550th birth anniversary celebrations of Sikhism founder Guru Nanak. Based on the replies received by the centre, the President can commute the death sentence under Article 72 of the Constitution. The MHA also decided to release 8 other prisoners convicted for life for their involvement in Sikh militancy as a token of goodwill. Beyant Singh and at least 16 others were killed in an explosion outside the Civil Secretariat in Chandigarh in 1995. Rajwana was sentenced to death in 2007 by a special court and he refused to file a mercy petition. The Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee (SGPC), the apex body of the Sikhs, filed a petition on his behalf in 2014. BJP ally and NDA member, the Shiromani Akali Dal (SAD), had been pressing the centre to commute Rajwana's death sentence. Now let's take a short commercial break.
Young what?
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksangbu tagat tikna thamba ngamali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Classic Hospitality Training Institute, a unit of Babina Healthcare and Hospitality Industries Private Limited, initiated by Classic Group of Hotels, brings exciting short-term course, 3 months course in front office operations, 3 months course in food and beverages service operations, 45 days course in personality development and soft skills. Eligibility 12 pass and 18 years to 30 years. Fee structure Rs 15,000 for 3 months and Rs 10,000 for 45 days training. 100% placement assistance with free uniform and study material. Please contact Classic Hospitality Training Institute, Center 1, Babina Diagnostics Building, or Center 2, Hotel Imphal by the Classic.
NHT Global today launched its new range of healthcare products like Premium Noni, Omega-3 and Glucosamine 2200 during a function at Hotel Imphal. The products were launched by head of NHT Global, China and Asia Pacific, Helen Shaga, in the presence of several other representatives of NHT Global. Talking at the occasion, Helen Shaga said that the company has already manufactured various healthcare products with an objective to maintain good health among the people living across the globe. He added the 3 products launched today will benefit the masses in terms of beauty, lifestyle and wellness.
It's based on Nobel Prize-winning research. It's formulated by a certified medical doctor, and it's a very powerful vasodilator. And throughout these 18 years, we sold 5.5 million bottles of this product. So it's a popular product. And if we go to wellness line, well, I think I will not be mistaken if I say that the all bestseller is the Premium Noni Juice, which has been sold on NHT platform for the last 19 years, and within these 19 years we sold more than 13 million bottles of this product.
A combined team of Bishnupur District Police and 31 Assam Rifles conducted a cordoned and search operation at Saiton Heyaikon of Bishnupur District this morning. As per reports, 150 individuals were verified on the spot, however, no one was picked up. 2 drug users were caught at Sangai Yumpam Numpho Mamang Lekai last evening. As per reports, volunteers of Lamding Educated Welfare Association, Lamding Thobal District, and local Youth Welfare Association, Sangai Yumpam Mamang Lekai, caught the drug abusers during anti-narcotic drive being conducted in the area. They were identified as Laishram Boinao, aged 29, of Lamding Cherarpur, and Thangjam Bikram, aged 28, of Lamding Kumantem Lekai. The 2 youths were later handed over to their respective family members after giving proper advice. As a part of its annual humanitarian activities, members of Imphal West VDF Welfare Association today extended financial assistance of Rs 1 lakh to the wife of a deceased VDF personnel during a simple function at the conference hall of Imphal West Superintendent of Police. It may be mentioned that the VDF personnel, late Moirangthem Kiran, son of Moirangthem Maimu of Sekmaijam Hangun Awang Lekai, Mayang Imphal, died on October 23 last.
Adamang da mitra ma thoi ma su pi khreng asi gi siga train thoi su bune khoina pi jari si adu matung da ding asi gi matung da gi di khoi on duty da sok pa yarok pa matam da su khoi lupa lising manga khoi gi welfare association Imphal West district BD welfare association na Imphal West ida lai riba BD ama kari guma on duty da sok pa taraga di lupa lising manga khoi mateng pangani aduga seriously solak pa taraga di ma gi medical report ki matungina lupa lising tara ma su khoi mateng pangani haibo pham simasu khoi keno da press media ai khudong chaba lawraga thamjari district asalaiba akhoi bidep isinnaw khuding mangna yamna discipline amadi respect laina akhoi mayang gi law and order ngak pade khoi asobo thodang lomina si aduga cooperation laina mayang gi cooperation phangna khoi thabuk tomina si haibo phamsi welfare association gi maike degi thamjari.
On completing its 60th year of establishment, Singerbad High School of Kachar District, Assam celebrated the Diamond Jubilee at the school premises. Deputy Commissioner of Kachar, Laya Maduri, IAS, Organizing Committee Chairman Y. Nadia Chan Singha and Headmaster of Singerban High School, K. Champalal Singha, attended the function. Talking to media on the sidelines of the event, K. Champalal Singha informed that the celebration will be a 3-month-long event which will witness various competitions like drawing, extempore speech, recitation and quiz. One person died following a major road accident that took place last evening at Uripok Yambem Lekai, Imphal. As per reports, the deceased has been identified as Tolsto Ningthojam, aged 22 years, from Uripok Taurangbam Lekai, Imphal. As per reports, Tolsto died on the spot, however, the driver escaped unhurt. Social worker Thongam Shanti Singh, with assistance from Moirang Progressive Front, donated essential items to an all-girl Madrasa Jamia Habibia wa Darul Yatama Lil Banat of Kwakta Kuman Gram Panchayat under Bishnupur district. Social worker Thongam Shanti and General Secretary of the Front Uttam Kumar Mairembam handed over 2 water storages, 6 plastic mats, 4 wire coils, 20 LED bulbs and 6 buckets for the madrasa.
Asigumlaba minority oidaba Muslims ke taba jagada sigumba sotraba adumlaba ke amal leramsu urudagi ayundai ma ke police khanna ngasigi miholo akhoi yellow vision kannabi khongjangda sanchil minai baba de koi Manipur ge akhoi ngomkhai ngakna ge sigumba sanchil iban lan manaksida akhoi aputmagi satam aibe ande hagi wakhal lodugadi ngasi akhoi ngomkhai laksaraga akhoi saiti yamam makhara si ngomkhai pijaraga akhoi punchindabagi akhoi nungsidabagi adu masatam ga sagatnabagi wakhal loduni akhoi ngomkhai laksaraga pijaribasi.
Another short commercial break now. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Asingbudo hayo kamaina state asiki examination da nang top oire ibanoba aina sukan honaba aduga position manung phawo chandaba
Larik yamna pahabana su larik yamna haigani mak yam phangani habde langani Aikoi bu takpi tambiriba oza singdugi way of teaching and guidelines singdugi makhayamna ponbrana khali wahase sangdoknaragomse ngasi aina mai paknise Mukta Tutorials credit pizak Mukta Tutorials handaki oina class 10 amadi 12 thagadaba students singi revision class lakliba November 14 gi haujaragani
Center asida hena khudong chaba amana subject amagi course fee supnadagi lupa 3,300 na oigani
Kaubiraganu Mukta Tutorials Kwakathil Mayai Koibi opposite Millennium Institute of Science.
Step to Sure Success Coaching Center, Nagamapal Rims Road Corner. Admission open for revision course and foundation course. Foundation class for class 9, 10, 11 and 12. Revision class for class 10 and 12. CBSE, BOSEM and COSEM. Starting from 12 December 2019 and 18 March 2020. Class timing morning 4:30 am to 7:30 am. Evening 4:30 pm to 8 pm. Available hostel for both boys and girls. Van services daycare boarding from class 6 to 12. Day boarding timing 9 am to 8 pm. For more details, please contact 9856331259.
Welcome back. In Nagaland, a Jawan of the 11th NAPIR was fatally shot reportedly in a case of accidental firing, Pugoboto Zunheboto media report said. According to the Zunheboto police, the incident occurred around 9 a.m. yesterday in Pugoboto town. The police said that the deceased Jawan was maintaining his service rifle when it reportedly accidentally discharged, the bullet hitting the face. The deceased Jawan was identified as Havildar Azo Medio. The crime graph of the National Crime Records Bureau points to a steady uptrend in crimes committed against children in Nagaland, according to a media report. As per the NCRB's latest but delayed crime in India 2017 compendium, from 61 reported cases in 2015, crimes against children rose to 78 in 2016 to reach a high of 93 at a rate of 13.9 per lakh of population in 2017 against the national rate of 28.9. Despite the visible increase from a state perspective, Nagaland ranked lowest among the states in terms of incidents and was the only state with fewer than 100 cases reported. Only the Union territories of Puducherry, Dadra and Amp, Nagar Haveli, Daman and Amp, Diu and Lakshadweep reported lesser cases than Nagaland. In terms of frequency, the then state of Jammu and Amp, Kashmir ranked lowest at 8 per lakh of population. Jammu and Kashmir had a total of 359 reported cases. The all India total of reported cases was 1,29,032. Meghalaya will receive only Rs 170 crore from the central government for building sports infrastructure ahead of hosting the National Games 2022. According to media reports, this was informed by Meghalaya Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Bantidor Lingdo. Lingdo said the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment has decided to reduce the amount to Rs 170 crore only. Notably, on October 25 last year, Union Home Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment Thawarchand Gehlot, during his visit to Shillong, had informed that his ministry would set up one of the 5 national sports stadiums of international standard for differently abled in Meghalaya at over Rs 200 crore. Chinese President Xi Jinping's effigy was burnt on Monday during a protest against Beijing for encroaching upon a chunk of Nepal's land. The protesters hit the streets of Saptari Bardia, Kapilvastu district on Monday and chanted slogans against China, according to a media report. The protesters held placards, banners and chanted slogans such as "Go back China" and "Return Nepali land" during the protests. The protests come under a survey report recently released by the Survey Department stated that China has encroached upon 36-hectare land of Nepal. The data revealed that around 6 hectares of land in the Bagdare River in Humla district and 4 hectares of land in Karnali district have been encroached upon, which now falls in Tibet's Furang area. Similarly, around 6 hectares of Nepali land in Sanjan River and Jambu Kola of Rasua have also fallen in Kerong in southern Tibet. And now let's take a look at the sports news. Satwik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty continued their stunning rise in world badminton as the duo achieved its career best BWF rankings of world number 7 in men's doubles today. Satwik and Chirag, who have been in the fine form on the tour, rose 2 spots from world number 9 after their run to the semi-final at Fuzhou China Open 2019 last week. Satwik and Chirag have become the first Indian men's doubles pair to be ranked inside the top 10 of BWF charts. They are only the 3rd Indian pair after Jwala Gutta, Valiya Vitil Diju and Gutta Ashwini Punapa to be ranked inside the top 10. 2019 has seen Satwik and Chirag grow into one of the leading men's doubles pairing on the circuit. The young Indian pair won its first Super 500 tournament in Thailand Open earlier this year. Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. No threat to Manipur's boundary integrity, says Chief Minister Biren. And traffic on strategic Jammu-Srinagar National Highway resumes. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.